Have you ever had a buñuelo? If you have, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, let me introduce you to them. Mama Jenny here from Mama Jenny's Mexican Journey. Welcome, YouTube. I'm going to take you with me on my journey, a food journey this time. Enjoy. Here is the production line. These crispy, crunchy treats are delicious with a scoop of ice cream on top, or the other way around, a bowl of ice cream and crumble one of these right on top and then enjoy. It's also amazing with a nice hot cup of coffee or a cappuccino. No wonder I love my journey. Thank you, YouTube, for the watch. Check back in real soon.